In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Facebook tracking with EverWebinar in just a few simple steps. This is crucial for optimizing your campaigns and tracking webinar conversions, so stay tuned until the end to get all the details. First off, you need to have your EverWebinar account set up and your webinar live. If you don't already have EverWebinar, you can get started for free with the exclusive link in the description below. Plus, we'll hook you up with some amazing bonuses, so be sure to check it out. Next thing you'll need is the Facebook Pixel ID. You'll get this from your Facebook Ads Manager. If you haven't set up a Facebook Pixel yet, no worries. Just head over to Facebook's Events Manager and create a new pixel. Once that's done, copy your Pixel ID. You'll need this for EverWebinar. Now, in your EverWebinar dashboard, navigate to the Integrations section. This is where you'll link EverWebinar with Facebook. Click on Add New Integration and select Facebook. Paste the Pixel ID you copied earlier into the relevant field. That's it for the basic setup. The next thing you need to do is set up conversion tracking. In your Facebook Ads Manager, you can set up specific conversion events that you want to track, like registration or purchase. Once you've created those events, you'll return to EverWebinar and configure them by selecting the appropriate conversion actions in the tracking settings. The fourth thing to keep in mind is testing your setup. After you've saved the settings in EverWebinar, you want to make sure everything is working correctly. Use the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension to verify if the pixel is firing properly during your webinar. Once you've set everything up and tested it, you're ready to start tracking. You'll now have insights into how many of your webinar attendees are converting through Facebook, which will allow you to adjust your ads and optimize for better performance. Finally, keep in mind that setting up Facebook tracking with EverWebinar helps you make data-driven decisions for your campaigns. With accurate tracking, you can measure your ROI and improve your ad strategies moving forward. Before I wrap up, remember that you can get EverWebinar completely free from the first link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get even more value. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the link in the description for your extended free trial and take advantage of these great offers.